This is just a test. I think this is how I'm going to do my videos now. Instead of sat in my room, I'm going to do off my iPhone. I've just found a new intro, and I'm going to do it all from iMovie. So I think this is better because I can actually vlog as well as just like doing one video a week of me weighing. So I think this is the format I'm going to take now. I'm going to do it this way. So yeah, so it's just like a test video really, just to see how it turns out. So let us know what you guys think. Yeah, so thanks for watching guys, cheers.